with a long, long list. Then I add the things I missed, the things I failed to do last week. Cannot obtain a special tick. There is no done on my do list. I blame myself for getting pissed. I know you don't know me very well, but from this song you might just get the gist.
Heaven is a place with no list. Heaven is a place I'm not doing my do list. Heaven, I can just do what I feel like. Heaven, I can just play and live life.
I can't do anything off my list. Some might say I'm a perfectionist. When I delay, I resist, says my psychoanalyst. My endless list is a scroll. I lose focus and my goal. Another Ritalin takes its toll. I do my do list without a soul.
Heaven is a place with no list. Heaven, maybe I can sit and have some Earl Grey tea and talk to you. Yes, talk to you. And just have no plans.
My bedsit wall is one long list. I punch it hard with my right fist. No more to-dos on my do list. I can't even write, I just sprained my wrist. I need something profound on my list. Maybe I ought to finish this musical, get my first gold disc. I'm wasting time on my do list. I'm getting old, that is the risk.
I just listen, don't do so much, and look at the moon, look at the clouds in the sky. Maybe just slow down and feel that life is real. Just take a breath or two.